Space means many kinds of wonders and many other kinds of surprises. That's why anyone would be so curious to know about the space. But so far, we have to only come to know about solar systems, Milky Ways, asteroids, black holes in space. But in the same space, some strange event unknown to us is going on. Let us now look at some mind-blowing things in such strange events. Number 1. Everyone knows that it takes 24 hours for the earth to revolve around itself. But scientists says there is a chance that time will be longer from now on. Usually, every year the earth takes some time to complete a rotation on its axis. However, as this time increases, its rotation speed decreases. Whenever this rotation speed is slow, then we have a day longer. The best example of this is the moon. It took only 20 days for the moon to orbit the earth 100 billion years ago, but now it takes 28 days. Based on this, the earth shrinks by 500 times a second once a century. So, in 1,000 years from here, it will be 200 times more per second in one day. This means that as the moon moves away from the earth rotation speed also decreases. This can take up to a day. Next, the Milky Way smell and taste. Astronauts are always researching in space for new atoms. While doing this research, they notice a sort of smell and taste coming from the Milky Way. They noticed that the smell like rum, the taste of raspberry fruit. Astronomers explore a giant cloud of gas and dust on the galaxy Sagittarius B2 in 2009. A chemical called ethyl formate was discovered on that cloud after being explored using the IRAM radio telescope. The ethyl formate gives a special smell to the rum. After discovering the chemical ethyl formate, also gives a unique taste to fruits like raspberry. What this means is that chemicals such as ethyl or ethanol are used in the manufacture of the beverage such as alcohol. Also, we can understand that it has enough alcohol to supply 3 lakhs tins of beer per day to each person on this earth for the next billion years. This cloud contains ethyl as well as carbon monoxide and hydrogen cyanide. Next, the moon is getting farther away every year. We all think that the moon is round in shape like the rest of the planet, but in fact, the moon is in the shape of an egg because of Earth's gravity. The gravitational force between the Earth and the moon causes water on the Earth to form tidals in the ocean. Also, the tidal bulge is formed when all the oceans are on the same side of the Earth. Dragging this tidal bulge moon into orbit causes the bulge moon to move slightly earlier than the orbit for 24 hours or 27.3 days as it rotates faster than the Earth moon. Whenever the moon tries to slow down this bulge, then the Earth rotation rate will gradually slow down. However, the distance from the moon to Earth is 3.8 cm per year. This is not something that has happened recently. This has been going on since Planet 2 was formed. Next, 12 multiple star systems. Basically, our planetary system is officially called the solar system. But astronomers have found more than 2,500 other stars in our galaxy on planets in orbit. Planet Sun may be the only star in the solar system, but it was within a star group. More than half of the Sun, like stars in the Milky Way, revolve around a common mass center such as multiple star systems and binary stars. Yet very low mass stars like the red worms remain isolate without any accompaniment. Next, Neptune orbiting the Sun. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system. It takes a very long time to turn in Sun orbit. It takes 165 years to complete a full orbit around the Sun. Orbit recently completed Its first full post discovery in 2011 since it was invented in 1846. That means 1 year for Neptune means 165 years for us. This planet takes 15 hours and 45 minutes to return once on its axis. This planet, which is very far from the Sun, has a total of 2 moons. Next, Jupiter magnetic field. The place where the magnetic field dominates the most is called the magnetosphere. Similar places are often found near planets, pulsars, and galaxies. All the planets in our solar system have magnetospheres. However, this magnetosphere is in the shape of charged particles in the air entering from the Sun. The largest magnetosphere in our solar system revolves around Jupiter. Jupiter not only rotates very fast but also has a very strong magnetic field. As well as this, the magnetosphere is filled with old plasma. The solar wind on Jupiter is very slow and high density. Next, there are stars will be never be able to see. Most objects in space are moving too far from each other from the Big Bang. In fact, the cosmic extension is gaining speed by day, as well as the growing number of spaces. The first star's population the formed in this universe is now invisible to us. We can only see them using a telescope if necessary, or it can only be seen indirectly by any powerful explosion. Next, the Sun loses a billion kilos per second. Cells are hot and powerful in the atmosphere of the Sun. They go into space as part of the solar wind. These cells are packed with electrons, protons, and helium nucleus. Through the Sun's powerful and complex magnetic field, these cells travel into space at speeds ranging from a few hundred kilometers to a few thousand kilometers per second. However, planet Sun is losing 5 billion kilograms for mass every second. This equals to one mass of land every 30 million years. This number is very small compared to the mass of the total Sun. The Sun converts 60 billion tons of hydrogen into helium every second. Up to 40 lakh tons of it is released in the form of energy each time. However, the planet must be destroyed when the fuel runs out. So, scientists say that our Sun also loses become a red giant in the final stage. Estimates that this will be another 500 billion years later. Next, gamma ray bursts. When gamma rays burst, they fall directly to Earth and the radiation from them destroys much of our atmosphere. In particular, the ozone layer. The photons formed by such an explosion cause the following chemical reaction. This can lead to a photochemical mug. In a word, they further reduce our protection from these cosmic rays. When gamma rays burst like this, a very high level of power is released. This is because high energy radiation is formed during this time. Gamma rays burst in general occur only when neutron stars merge with each other in the event of a massive star explosion. Next one, teaspoon full of neutron stars equal to entire human population. A neutron star weighs 8 trillion kilograms, just a teaspoon. This is more than the total population weight on this earth. Its density, however, can be thought of as mind-blowing. These stars are almost completely packed with neutrons packed in a small radius. A neutron star has 1.4 times the mass of the Sun. That would be like a small city. It is located at a radius of 15 kilometers. 1 teaspoon of neutron stars material weight 10 million tons. Gravity is also very high. The escaping speed is 0.4 times higher than the lighting speed. Next, our body in space without a spacesuit. Traveling in space is not easy without a spacesuit. Cannot live more than a few minutes in space without a spacesuit. And do you know what happens with the by mistake spacesuit leaks while doing a space journey like that? The spacesuit would otherwise go into unconscious After 10 seconds, the pressure in space heats up the blood in the body. Gas bubbles form in body fluids. This causes bloating in the body. The body immediately cools down due to the humidity in the space. Lack of oxygen kills in 2 minutes. Decompression can damage the lungs, leads to ear infections and sinus. Bleeding from body tissues also starts. Next, black hole versus white holes. Black hole that pulls an object into itself with its gravitational force. White holes, on the other hand, push the same material out with their gravitational force. In general, we hear a lot about black holes. It has the strongest gravitational forces and absorbs light or cells in space, but eventually electromagnetic radiation or anything like that. Eventually, even dead stars are drawn into by its gravitational force. White holes are opposite the end of black holes. These are the theoretical tunnels of space-time, also known as wormholes. The logic here is that if black holes are pulling any substance in this universe, white holes will split opposite it. Next, on Mercury a day lasts twice as long as a year. Mercury is also one of the planets in our solar system. It is very close to the Sun. It takes 88 days for the Sun to rotate once in orbit. Moreover, it also takes the same amount of the time rotate on its axis. As it is a very small planet, it is very close to the Sun, so it is not clearly visible to our eyes. There is no water on this planet. Located 58 billion kilometers from the Sun, it was named after the Roman messenger god Mercury. Next, water in the space. There are oceans on some of the planets in space as there are oceans on Earth. This proves that water exists not only on our planet but also in space and many other places. Jupiter's 3 moons, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto, and Saturn's 2 moons, Enceladus and Titan, are recognized as underwater seas. Europa many contain more than twice the amount of water found on land in the ocean. This is 140 trillion times the volume of water in all the oceans on Earth. The water is surrounded by a massive black hole called quasar, more than 12 billion light years away. Next, the moon is lemon shaped. The moon we see every day appears to us in a round shape. But scientists say the moon is actually in the shape of a lemon. In the formed the Earth 4.5 billion years ago, an asteroid crashed into Earth. Then some part of the Earth as well as some part of the asteroid fell in space. For a while these fallen parts came together to form a lump and the Earth began to rotate around the Earth due to the force of gravity. For a while it formed in a sphere shape. But when the moon formed, it was a like liquid rock. This would have changed the shape of Earth gravity. So long after the newborn moon was transformed into a lemon shape, it was subjected to tidal and gravitational force due to the hardening. So I hope you like it, guys. If you like this video, click like button and share it to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.